Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem faced by many people when it comes to backing up personal data. You see, I have two WD-RED 4TB HDDs, affectionately named Disk 1 and Disk 2. My backup routine involves storing all my important files on Disk 1 and then cloning it onto Disk 2 using a specific docking station. However, this process is starting to pose some challenges, and I'm not sure if it's the most efficient way to safeguard my data. Let's dive into this problem and explore possible solutions. In the proposed solution, we first address the limitation of the docking station that prevents connecting both drives simultaneously. It seems that the station should actually support this functionality, but there may be performance implications when using both disks concurrently. It's also noted that the cloning process may slow down as Disk 1 fills up, possibly due to the disk being an SMR, shingled magnetic recording type. Additionally, concerns about the health of the drive from regular wiping and rewriting are addressed, highlighting that HDDs are generally robust against such activities, though SMR disks like the WD-RED have their own considerations due to internal state management. Solution-wise, switching to a file-level backup approach using tools like Total Commander's Synchronized Directories feature is recommended. This method offers more fail-proof and efficient backup processes, especially when dealing with multiple file versions and ensuring data integrity. By automating the synchronization process, users can enhance the safety and reliability of their backup strategy while minimizing the risk of accidental data loss or overwriting. In summary, it's clear that the current cloning method has its drawbacks, and transitioning to a file-level backup solution could offer more efficiency and reliability in safeguarding personal data. By adopting tools like Total Commander and automating the synchronization process, users can enhance their backup workflow and maintain the integrity of their files. So, remember to always keep your data secure and backed up. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a witty comment below.